Hey, Jackie. So this is our Delta Math program. It's www.deltamath.com. And once you're set up, this is the login page, and you just go to login with Google, and that's what the kids will do as well. And it's a little slow today, of course. So each year I start fresh. This is all of the different topics that are in Delta Math. They go by color, I believe. So this goes from sixth grade all the way up to calculus. In algebra, obviously we use algebra 1, but sometimes I'll also go down and use these. And there is some repetitiveness, like something in algebra 1 may also be in 7th and 8th grade. So, you'll get to know that. If you want to make, and I'll help you do this, tools. So right here, I use manage students and classes a lot. This is where you make up your classes. And I don't go by class period, like I would do in algebra 1. Maybe a graphing calculator 1, but that's kind of up to you. And then this is what the students join. So again, I can help you set that up. Let's see. Copy assignments is right here, which I can show you that at a later time if you'd like. It's pretty easy. Well, I guess I'll show you now because I'm doing it. I can copy from myself. And I do this sometimes, and I'll go back to different years and copy it, and then you can make changes. I also have, I have here, I can copy from Jen. Like if she makes something in her algebra 2, I can copy it and vice versa. Let's see. Over here, top student data. And this you just have to play with once you actually have students in there. You can see what problems they've done. You can see how much they've done. The one cool thing is you can even see how long it takes them to do it. When we were all remote, this is how we found out some kids were not being super honest. They would do like a solve equations by factoring, they would solve in 17 seconds, which means they were just typing in the problem and using an app to get the answer. So that's kind of cool. Let me go to, I'm just going to pick this one. These are old assignments that I had. And this is one I thought I would use for, actually, that one's not going to work. Combining with, let's just go to this factoring review. So this is an old assignment. This guy right here is the link. So I use that, and I'll show you in the future on my Google Classroom. So it goes right to that assignment. It's not hard to find the assignments, but anything that makes it not so crazy for the kids, I'm good with. So this is an assignment I already made. If you go to print settings, you can print it. So sometimes some kids hate Delta Math, some kids love it or tolerate it. So what I started doing, if I have a Delta Math assignment, I'll also do a hard copy version. So you can do that. I'm going to show you how to make an assignment. So you go create, edit. You can edit assignments. So I could go to this one. This little guy right here is the edit button. So whether you're creating or editing an assignment, right here, this first tab, overview, it's your title, what classes you want to use this for. You can also do individual people. I would use that for credit recovery. Post assignment, you can post it immediately. You can also do a specific time. When we were remote and we did things online, I would stagger quizzes and tests by period because you could do those as well. You can set up different folders. Mine's kind of a hot mess right now. So this is just stuff you can kind of mess around with. We have overview. I'm going to skip skills for now. Due date, when it's due. You can add a late date. So I'll put a due date, but if I don't really care if they do it later, I will do a different date. Like, I don't know, whatever date you want. You can't do 100% credit, so I'll do like a 99. And that way I'll know that they did the whole assignment because it's 99 points or 99%. Now, this skills section is what's going to take a little bit of time to do and kind of messing around with. You pick your topic. So here, I usually just have them all checked. It doesn't hurt anything. And if I want to look at plotting points, I would just type that in. And you can see all the things that come up from 6th grade, statistics, algebra, even to pre-calc, plotting polar coordinates. So what I just did was I clicked on the link and it gave me examples. So you can kind of scroll through and look at different problems. You can go to assign this problem. I usually, if it's something I haven't done before, I'll work through a couple of them. Just sometimes Delta Math is weird and it's not user-friendly. So I'll just make sure the kids won't have trouble with doing the problems. So if I wanted this, I could hit plus, and then it comes over here. It defaults to required 5, but you can change it to whatever you want. And penalty, I always take off the penalty. And if you decide you want to change it, then you go to the minus and it goes away. You can add videos, which is really cool. You can assign a Delta Math video. Once I clicked that, see how the little file tape comes over? You can add that. And it'll tell you how long it is. That's cool. You can assign your own YouTube video. So if I have a video that I really want them to watch, I have my YouTube ID, which again, if you want, I can show you this in the future. You can weight it as part of the assignment, or you can just put it there and weight it as 0 if you, it's like just a reference. So that's that. Basically that in a nutshell with Delta Math. Just to make sure you complete edit means you're saving your stuff. If you have any questions, let me know. I am here. Okay. I'll talk to you soon. See you soon. Enjoy the rest of your summer and good luck with the house stuff.